Hair loss may be the result of patchy or diffuse thinning, with the hair loss commonly occurring on one side. One-sided hair loss is the thinning that occurs on a single side of the head, and the resulting hair loss that elongates the hair in patches. This thinning and loss can take place in discrete areas of the scalp or around more widespread regions of the head. Common cause of uneven hair loss is in the androgenetic alopecia form, but patients with this condition can experience a rapid recession on one side of their hair cut above the rest. Other factors can contribute to one-sided hair loss, although they are not very common. There are many possible causes for hair loss on one side of the head, including genetics, stress, and illness. However, some of the most common reasons for hair loss can be due to things like hair growth abnormalities, hormone imbalances, and scalp inflammation. If you're experiencing hair loss on one side of your head and you don't know what's causing it, it's best to consult with a doctor or a hair restoration specialist. You can also consider treatments such as microneedling for scalp. Microneedling for scalp is a collagen induction therapy hair loss treatment in Singapore which is also able to cause controlled trauma in the scalp to promote hair growth. Together with the use of minoxidil 5%, microneedling can lead to positive effects on hair growth over a 12-week period. Especially effective for patients with alopecia areata and androgenetic alopecia, or male pattern baldness, receding hairline, and thinning hair. Are you suffering from hair loss? If so, microneedling for scalp with minoxidil is a scientific solution for you. Microneedling for scalp helps treat hair loss and promote hair regrowth. Microneedling for scalp is a collagen induction therapy hair loss treatment in Singapore which is also able to cause controlled trauma in the scalp to promote hair growth. Together with the use of minoxidil 5%, microneedling can lead to positive effects on hair growth over a 12-week period. Especially effective for patients with alopecia areata and androgenetic alopecia, or male pattern baldness, receding hairline, and thinning hair. A topical hair loss solution starts working from the stages of hair follicles with respect to the stage of the hair loss. Since each person will have a different reason or cause behind the hair loss, the time frame will also vary accordingly to the situation and also the treatment type. For Wellaholic's microneedling for scalp, will require a weekly treatment for 12 weeks to see good results, as evidenced from the supporting case studies showing the effectiveness of microneedling for hair loss. So how much does a treatment cost? Each microneedling for scalp treatment starts from $100+ per session for 2 full passes across the entire scalp followed by the topical minoxidil application and scalp massage. Why are Wellaholic's prices so affordable? This is in line with Wellaholic's vision to provide affordable aesthetic treatments that work, with transparent pricing and no hard selling. Wellaholic locates our outlets at convenient locations near MRT stations, but with more affordable rents, so that we can pass our cost savings back to our customers. The result? Happy customers, as seen from over 1,000 positive customer reviews on Google Reviews and TripAdvisor reviews. We provide excellent customer service and focus on creating a relaxed and comfortable environment for our customers. We do not hard sell. Instead, we let our services speak for themselves. At Wellaholic, we are constantly reviewing our brand promise, which is to provide affordable treatments for our customers and help our customers see results with treatments that are backed by science and research. We always work to ensure availability of capacity and slots so that customers can make bookings easily online. We look forward to seeing you at Wellaholic. Check out our website at wellaholic.com. Or to make a free booking, go to Wellaholic Live/book. See you!